Hello, everyone. Nice to see you again. Welcome to Unit 3, Class 1. Today, we are speaking about a very big family. They are welcoming baby number 15. Imagine that. So, you have already worked with the reading, but I want you to come back with me to some sentences from the reading. So if we read here, it goes Baby Oliver is the newest child of Maria and Tom Harris from Bristol, England. They have got 15 children, 8 boys and 7 girls. Life in the Harris house is often very busy, but they have got a system so everything works well. The house has got 7 bedrooms and the children share rooms. So two children, two children, two children. So how many houses has the house got? How many bedrooms has the house got? It has got 7 bedrooms. Then Maria says that the family life is never boring. We usually have dinner together, but sometimes it's difficult because everyone has different schedules. So they have dinner together, usually. So probably Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, not Tuesdays. Sometimes on Tuesdays, is difficult because the children have activities, the father has activities, and the mother has other activities. So let's pay attention to these two sentences. The house has got 7 bedrooms. They have got 15 children. What are we discussing here? Are we discussing the personality of the family or possession? The fact that they have children and the house has got bedrooms and it has got a bathroom, probably. What about this sentence? We usually have dinner together, but sometimes it's difficult because of the schedules. So here we are discussing frequency. How many days a week? Usually Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Sometimes Tuesday. It's different. So let's take a look at the grammar explanation. We are going to see have got and has got. We use this structure to talk about family. I have got one brother. And to talk about possessions. I have got a car. My house has got one bedroom, one kitchen, and one bedroom. And we use have got with I, you, we, they, and has got with he, she, it. For example, they have got 15 children. The house has got 7 bedrooms, like in the reading. In the negative form, we put not to the have. So they haven't got or she hasn't got. They haven't got 10 bedrooms. She hasn't got a job in an office. To make a question, we say, have they got a big house? Has she got a job? So we move have to the beginning. And then we spoke about frequency. We use these words, always, usually, often, sometimes, I never, to say how often or how frequently we do an activity. So always means 100%. Usually, less times, often, less, sometimes, and never, 0%. Okay, so now I'd like you to complete the activities below. Thank you.